Hello guys, welcome to another video. This video we will discuss on how to fetch the data from DynamoDB using SDK for JavaScript. So first things first, what you have to do is you have to download this SDK for Node.js. So how to do that is just go to the your project folder and type this command npm i SDK, I for install. So here this is the command. So this will install the AWS SDK. So for that you need to first have Node.js installed. So make sure you have Node.js, otherwise you install it. So once you have that, you can create a project and go to the app.js file, and this is the code to fetch the data from a DynamoDB database. So let me show you the console. So here is my table, topic details, and it has one row. Topic ID and description are the columns. So we are going to fetch this using the SDK. So the code is very simple. Of course, you have to be familiar with JavaScript and have some working experience with Node.js. If you are like working in a different language, so there are SDKs available. So make sure you use that. So for those who know Node.js and JavaScript, this is the code to fetch the data. So here you can see first thing is to import the AWS SDK. So next is to import your credentials. So that I have kept it in config.json file. So I cannot share that as this will give you access to the account. So make sure you have the config.json file where you mention the secret code and the client ID. So once you have that, okay, so this is an async function. Okay, so here we will try to fetch the data. So first thing is to configure a promise dependency. So this will return as a promise. So what is happening here using the command update? So what we are doing is we are passing the access ID and secret access key as well as the region. This is to make sure that we are the valid users to connect to the database. So this is very important. Next step is to fetch the data. For that we need the client document client. So here you need to set some data so that exact data is fetched. So first thing is the table name and then the key with which you are trying to fetch the row. Okay, so in my table I have a primary key, topic ID. Okay, so I set the value as 1. So this is the command to fetch it, uh, document client dot get. So pass the details and this is the callback function. So here I'm just printing the results in case of error and data. So if you have any configuration error, you'll get it here. So let's run this. So once I run this, you can see the result. Null is for the error, and this is the details from the database. So description is AWS, topic ID is 1. So just to verify, here you can see the same thing. Let's create another row, create item. Okay, topic ID 2 and description. Okay, so SDK. So I have two rows now. So let's fetch the second one. So the first one we have already fetched it. Let's try with the second one. Okay, let's execute the command. Okay, so you can see the other row. Fine. Now what happens if we put an invalid or whatever details that is not available? So what's the thing? So it will give you a blank JSON. So that's it, guys. This is how you can fetch the data from DynamoDB. There are other videos in the playlist. Thank you. Thanks for watching.